Can I help you?
Hi, can I help you?
Can I help you?
How can I help you?
Hello, this is Rachel Green. How can I help you?
How can I help you?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
No, thanks.
No, thanks. I'm fine.
No, thanks. I'm good.
It's okay.
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay.
Is everything okay?
Is everything okay?
Is everything all right?
Is everything okay?
Are you okay?
Ross, are you okay?
Leonard, are you okay?
I'm not sure.
It's fine.
I am really sorry about this.
No, it's fine.
Fine. It's fine.
Everything is fine.
Everything is fine.
The kids, everything is fine.
Don't worry about it.
Hey, don't worry about it, okay?
Don't worry about it. It's fine.
Do you agree with me?
You agree with me, right?
You agree with me about that, right?
Do you agree?
Jake, you agree?
Do you agree with that?
Don't you agree?
That seems a little inappropriate. Don't you agree?
What's up?
Hey, Dad, what's up?
Hey, Penny, what's up?
What's new?
So, Mother, what's new?
So what's new?
Can you explain this?
Can you explain?
Can you explain to our audience just what a monopole is?
Of course.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Let me explain.
Let me explain. Let me explain, okay?
We weren't doing anything!
What's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on? What's going on?
Nothing special.
Nothing special.
Have a nice weekend, Peralta? Yeah, nothing special.
I have no idea.
I have no idea.
So what are you gonna do?
I have no idea.
What you working on? I have no idea!
Not a clue.
Not a clue.
What's that about?
Not a clue.
No problem.
Thanks for the books.
No problem.
Thanks for coming over.
No problem.
It was the least I could do.
It was the least I could do.
You dedicated it to me? Well, you make this all possible. It's the least I could do.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Sorry, I had to clock out.
No, that's okay.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing now?
What are you doing now?
I'm almost off work. What are you doing now?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Wait a minute, what are you doing here?
I'm not really sure.
Thank you, but I'm not really sure.
Yeah, I'm not really sure that applies here, Gina.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Not really.
You doing okay?
Not really.
You don't believe in evolution?
Nah, not really.
How do you feel about?
How do you feel about that?
I think I feel okay about it.
How do you feel about watching A House of 1,000 Corpses?
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Are you serious right now?
Are you kidding?
Are you kidding?
Are you kidding? It was the greatest experience of my life.
Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
Good point.
Good point.
Would you rather have kissing of me or Chandler?
Oh, good point.
Yeah.
That's a good point.
That's a good point.
That's a good point.
I'm returning your call.
Hello, Michael.
Hey, you.
I'm returning your call. You said it was urgent.
Andy, why aren't you returning my calls?
Are you busy?
Amy, are you busy?
Sheldon, are you busy?
Of course I'm busy.
I'm sorry, I'm busy.
Okay, so when do you want to go?
Oh, I'm sorry, I can't. I'm busy.
Do you have plans this weekend? Oh, gee, Amy, I'm sorry. I'm actually pretty busy this weekend.
Call me back, please.
Hi, Bernie. It's me again. Please call me back.
So call me back when you get this, and I look forward to speaking.
Hold on a second. I have another call.
Can you hold on a moment? I have another call.
Marshall, we're going back.
Fine. Hold on, I have another call.
I really appreciate this.
It's actually not that big a deal. In fact,
It's a big deal to me. This is great, Monica. I really appreciate it.
Fine.
I really appreciate this.
Yeah.
It's true.
No way!
It's true.
It's true.
I guess it's true.
You think Tuco had breakage? I guess it's true, he did.
He won't remember this. I guess it's true.
Yeah, I guess.
You sure you're gonna be okay?
Yeah, I guess.
Do you have a moment? Yeah, I guess.
You got this.
I'm telling you, you got this.
Oh my god, she just texted. She's on her way up.
Raj, calm down. You got this.
Yes, thank you. I got this.
You can do it.
One more score to go. You can do it. Mr. Worm. You got this, buddy.
Yeah, come on, Howard. Hook that worm.
You can do it.
That's great. Cheerleading. Way to man things up.
Suppose so.
Forgive me, but is that pattern a double basket weave?
I suppose so.
Think it's time you apologize to her yourself?
I suppose so.
That's right.
Okay, well then I'll just cut your vines with my ruby sword. That's right, I did it.
The cushions are the essence of the chair. That's right. I'm taking the essence.